Hello everyone. In this I'm going to be teaching you how to use continue and break statements in Bash scripting. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is obviously create our Bash script file, and I'm going to be calling it while.sh. So first I'm going to show you how to use a break and continue statement in a while loop. So okay, so first let's have our variable here, and then I'm going to write while x is less than or equal to 10, let's do first, let's increment x by 1, and after that what you're going to do is add the conditional statement, which is going to include the break statement. A break statement, what it basically does is that it ends the loop, completely ends it, or basically breaks out of it. Okay, so if x equals 5, then what's going to happen is that we are going to break out of the loop, and then let's type done. Okay, so I'm going to add something to confirm that it worked. I'm going to echo x every time it runs. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. It basically happened because when we reached 5, it broke out of the loop and it did not reach the um, echo statement. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add a continue statement to it. So instead of break, we are going to add continue. So what's basically going to happen is that, um, let me just show you what we're going to get. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So as you can see, it has skipped 5 because of the continue statement. Okay, so now let me show you how to use until loop. Okay. Okay, so we're again going to have a variable, and then I'm going to say until x equals 10, do, let's say, obviously increment the variable y1. Let's have our conditional statement, which is going to be if x equals 5. Then we are going to break out of the loop, and then to confirm, we are going to echo here. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, just like the while loop. And now let's go ahead and add the continue statement to the until loop and see what we get. Continue. A continue statement basically just skips one of the statements, as you can see. So let's run it again, and as you can see, it skipped 5. Okay, that's all it did. Okay, now finally let's use a for loop. So let's see. Okay, let's write for I in 1 to 10, do, let's say, you don't need to add anything, so just have the conditional statement. If I equals 5, then break out of the loop, and then let's echo I. Done. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's just like the previous loops. Okay, the break statement broke out of the loop. Now let's go ahead and edit it and add a continue statement. Continue. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is similar to the previous loops. 5 was skipped, okay, because of the continue statement. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.